Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Good morning, it's the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, April 18th, 2020. I'm Scott Martin. We'll have rain pushing out of the area this morning that will have us set up for a nice second half of the day for your Saturday, but we have the potential for severe storms across a good portion of the area on your Sunday. More on that in just a moment. As of 4:52 this morning, a cold front was pushing through the area with a ragged line of showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two that is lined up roughly over I-59 from the northeastern parts of the state down to just east of Birmingham. A few scattered lingering showers are lagging behind and just to the south of the I-20-59 corridor in the southwestern parts of the area. Temperatures across the area were in the upper 40s in the north to the upper 60s in the south. The cold spot was Huntsville at 49 degrees. Montgomery was the warm spot at 68 degrees. Birmingham was sitting at 63 degrees. A flash flood watch has been issued for the southern two-thirds of central Alabama that will go into effect at 7 a.m. on Sunday morning and is set to expire at 1 a.m. on Monday morning. Several bands of showers and thunderstorms will move through central Alabama on Sunday and into Sunday night. Rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches will be possible along with higher totals. Areas with the highest probability of receiving these heavy rains will be along and south of a line from Tuscaloosa to Birmingham to Talladega. To go along with the flash flood watch, the Storm Prediction Center has the southern two-thirds of central Alabama in an enhanced risk of severe storms on Sunday through the pre-dawn hours on Monday, which is a level 3 out of 5. This includes everyone located along and south of a line from Reform in Pickens County to Homewood in Jefferson County to just north of Woodland in Randolph County. A slight risk is up for locations above that to as far north as Ewan in Marion County, to Aniana in Blount County, to Pleasant Gap in Claiborne County. A marginal risk is up for locations as far north as Russellville in Franklin County, to Priceville in Morgan County, to Fort Payne in DeKalb County. Now let's dive into the 06Z run of the GFS valid today at 1 p.m. A cold front will continue to push through the area during the morning hours and will eventually stall out along the Gulf Coast later today. The shower activity out there now will come to an end before midday and we'll be left with a decent afternoon and early evening with skies becoming mostly clear over the northern half of the area to partly cloudy in the south. Afternoon highs look to top out in the lower 70s to the lower 80s. The cold front will be pulling back north through the area as a warm front during the first part of the day on Sunday, ahead of a shortwave along with a strong surface low that will eventually move into and across central Alabama during the evening and late night hours. We'll have a morning round of rain and thunderstorms move through the area along and north of the warm front, but once the front passes your location, rain should mostly come to an end for a little while. While there is a break in the rain, it will allow the atmosphere to recover and really become unstable during the heating of the day. Storms are likely to form in Mississippi and move into the area, which have the potential to become severe, especially over the southern half of north central Alabama during the late afternoon and through the rest of the day and into the overnight hours. Highs should reach the mid to upper 70s for most across central Alabama. As mentioned earlier, the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk up for the southern two-thirds of central Alabama, with a slight risk up for portions of the northern part of central Alabama, and a marginal risk up for the extreme northern parts of central Alabama and into the southern half of north Alabama. Damaging winds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, along with large hail, and a few tornadoes will be possible with this system. The main window for stronger to severe storms look to be at this point from 12 p.m. Sunday afternoon to 2 a.m. Monday morning. The latest high-resolution NAM shows a boundary potentially forming just south of the I-20 corridor where the highest levels of instability will be located during the afternoon and evening hours. Helicity values will be highest over the same general area as well, but all of north-central Alabama will have a good bit of wind shear. This agrees with the Storm Prediction Center risk that will keep the majority of the severe storms along and south of I-20. While most of this has some of the same looks as the Easter Sunday outbreak of just 1 week ago, this looks to be a weaker system and will be a little further south. But that doesn't mean we need to let our guard down, as it has the potential to be a significant severe weather event. You know the drill by now. Have your emergency kits fully packed, your safe place, and your severe weather action plan ready to go. We have a full day before the event, so you have time to prepare. Have multiple ways of receiving warnings. Do not rely just simply on outdoor sirens. Do not attempt to ride out a tornado warning in a mobile or manufactured home or in a car. You have time to make plans to go to a more sturdy structure or a local tornado shelter. You do this, your chance of surviving a tornado is excellent, especially if you plan well ahead of the event and are ready to act if a warning is issued for your location. Quiet weather returns on Monday, as we'll have clearing skies and afternoon highs reaching the mid-70s to the lower 80s. Much of the same on Tuesday, plenty of sunshine and warmer. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 70s to the mid-80s. Another strong low will be heading in our direction and will begin ramping up across the southern plains on Wednesday. We'll be in the warm and moist flow out ahead of the approaching low and cold front. Showers and storms look to move into the area during the late night and through the overnight hours. This could be another severe weather maker for the area, but we'll dive more into that system once we get through Sunday's action. Highs will be in the upper 70s to the mid-80s. Rain and storms will be exiting the area during the morning hours on Thursday, but we may continue to have a few lingering light showers to wrap around across portions of the area on the backside of the low. Highs will be in the lower 70s to the lower 80s. Friday looks to be a quiet day across central Alabama. Skies look to be mostly sunny with highs reaching the upper 70s to the mid-80s. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Xtreme video. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. The next video will be out bright and early on Sunday morning, weather permitting. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.